Welcome back to Frog on the Clock. We already showed you 3 of the brand new Barbie Fashionistas that just been released. And today we want to show you 2 more brand new Barbie Fashionistas. And here we have Barbie Fashionista number 124 and 128. At the back of the box you can see all the brand new Barbie Fashionistas that will be available soon. But for now, let's get them out of the box. And here they are. I think they both look amazing. But we start with Barbie Fashionista number 124, and she is a petite doll. I really like her hairstyle. I think it looks pretty cool. She wears her green hair up and has an undercut underneath. She has blue eyes and wears a white sleeveless shirt with black stitching, blue denim overalls with white polka dots, both pieces velcro at the back. And she completes her look with a silver bracelet and black shoes. I think she's very pretty. But now let's take a look at Barbie Fashionista number 128. She has brown curly poofy hair with an undercut underneath. And she has brown eyes. She wears a pink camouflage tank top with white stitching and it says "Good Vibes Only" on it. And blue jean shorts. And the shorts velcro at the back. And she completes her look with a white watch and bright yellow shoes. Both dolls are articulated with movement at the head, shoulders and hip. I think they both look amazing and I'm so happy to add them to my collection. Let us know what you think in the comment box below. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and follow us on Instagram at FrogOnTheClock. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.